In this problem, we're going to be subtracting using base 10 blocks. There are 536 cats in the shelter. 377 were adopted. How many cats are still at the shelter? So we know that we have 536 cats in the shelter, but 377 were adopted. So we're going to stack those on top of one another and subtract or take away. So to do this using base 10, we can use squares for our hundreds place, or flats. We can use a tally for the tens, a dot for the ones. So now that we know that, let's use that to draw out our problem. So we have 6 in the ones place. We're going to draw 6 ones, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3 in the tens place, so that'll be 30. So 3 tens. And then we have 500, or 5 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're taking away 377. So let's start with the ones place, and we have 6, and we want to take away 7. We can't do that because we don't have 7 here. So we've got to go over and borrow from the tens place. So we've taken away this 10 and we're bringing it to the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's also demonstrate that over here on our stacked numbers. So we have 6, we're trying to take away 7. We had to borrow, making this a 2, and this a 16. So now, let's take our 16 and let's subtract 7. So we have 16, we're going to take away 7. Sorry. 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaving us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's put a 9 down here. Now, moving on to the tens place, we have a 2 and we need to take away 7. Cannot take away 7 from 2, so we're going to have to come over and borrow from a hundreds place, or a unit, or a flat, sorry. So let's bring one flat over making this 12. So borrowed, now we have 4. Now we have 12 here. So 12. Now we can take away 7. So it's going to be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Leaving us with 5. Now moving on to the hundreds, we have 4 flats, and we want to take away 3. Take away 1, 2, 3, leaving us with 1. So there are 159 cats still at the shelter.